Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in reliable sources and immediate automation. Follow 2-3 communities, Twitter/X, curated Discord servers, Telegram channels, and subscribe. Once done, implement keyword alerts for specific tickers, price moves, and news, keeping latency under 1 minute if possible. Next, build a tagged watch list and assign a quick credibility score to each source. Record baseline sentiment for comparison. This first step gets you data flowing and prevents analysis paralysis while preparing you to act fast. You now validate signals before risking capital. First, cross-check each alert across at least 3 independent communities or data feeds to reduce false positives. Then triangulate with objective indicators, on-chain metrics, options flow, and price volume confirmation, so you're not trading hearsay. Once you have criteria, codify them into automated filters, flag volume spikes, enforce a minimum bot score, and require a sentiment delta threshold. This disciplined middle phase turns noisy chatter into tradable insight and you finish by executing with strict rules and preparing to recover if things go wrong. Enter trades only with predefined position sizes, stop losses, and take profit levels tied to your risk plan. After each trade, log the execution, the originating social signals, and outcomes for review. If the stream becomes noisy or noisy bots spike, pause new entries, tighten your filters, and reevaluate the top 5 sources for credibility. This final phase locks discipline into your workflow and gives one clear troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.